This is AK. In this tutorials, I'm going to share you about a new package that is called as COVID-19 Pi. So using this package, I'm going to get the latest information about the coronavirus pandemic disease. Okay, so we have made so many analysis video in our channel to get the updates of COVID-19. Please check these videos. Okay, so let's start the code. Before start the code, please subscribe our channel and help me to reach out 2000 subscribers on YouTube. Okay, so let's start the code. First of all, we need to import the package here. So import COVID-19 Pi. Okay, so using this package we are going to get the latest informations. Okay, after importing this package we need to create a object for this. So using this object we are going to get the latest information about coronavirus. Okay, so let's create a object. First of all, we need to declare a variable here. So c is equal to COVID-19 Pi dot COVID-19. Okay, so this is the object. Okay, using this object we are going to fetch the latest information about the coronavirus. So after that we need to do the one of the important step. So this is the considered as the one of the important step in this video. So here there are 3 data sources that is created by the COVID-19 package creator. Okay, so they will provide 3 data sources. So using these data sources we are going to get the information of COVID-19. Okay, so we need to import a data source here. Okay, so here we need to declare a variable. So COVID-19 data source equal to Johns Hopkins University. Okay, so create a variable called as latest, and using this variable we are going to print the latest information about the coronavirus. So COVID-19 dot okay. So this will print the latest information about the coronavirus. So before run this program, the internet is mandatory. Okay, so this is the latest information about the coronavirus. So this is our output. Okay, after that we need to find out the locations which country is affected by the coronavirus. Okay, almost all over the world will be affected by the coronavirus. So let's create a variable called locations. COVID-19. Okay, so this will execute the output and it will print which country is affected by coronavirus. Okay, so let's run the program. So this is our output. This output represents the which country is affected by coronavirus, which are the countries affected by the coronavirus. So okay, so it will print the alphabetical order wise. So only the Afghanistan, the A will comes under first. Okay, next step we are going to print the countries in by ranking wise. Okay, so which country is mostly affected by the coronavirus and which country has most recovered cases and which country has most deaths. Okay, so let's create a variable called rank, and so totally 3 cases are there: confirmed cases, deaths and recovered. Okay, so here I am giving the command confirmed. Okay, Okay, confirmed. Sorry, print rank. Okay, so this will print the country by rank wise. Okay, so which country has most number of most confirmed cases, that will comes under the first. Okay, so let's run the program. So look at this. Okay, so ID number 225 and country code US and country code equal to US. Okay, so US is the most number of confirmed cases in coronavirus. Okay, so it will place a first row. So next we are going to print the specific location, okay, by their country code. So location equal to COVID-19 dot so look at this. Okay, this is our output. Okay, so this is the thing about this package. Okay, so it will print the exact details about coronavirus up to date update. Okay, so here this is the thing I want to share with you. So thanks for watching and thank you.